have your direct materials, you have your direct labor, and we have our manufacturing overhead. Okay, how do we compute for direct materials, no? Na standard cost. Siyempre, yung walang kamatayang standard quantity times standard price. Tama? Okay. Then, your direct labor naman is your standard hours times your standard rate. Okay, should be ito ha. And your manufacturing overhead, paano ito class? We compute first for the applied overhead. And that would be your predetermined overhead rate and to be multiplied by the standard hours. Usually, the standard hours ay hindi given. How do we compute for the standard hours? And that would be your actual units produced. Alright? And it is to be multiplied by the required hours. Yan yung usual na formula natin in our standard hours. Okay. We do it one by one. Okay. But syempre class, no? Pag sinasabing standard costing, hindi mawawala dyan yung tinatawag natin variance analysis. Okay? Lagi yan tambal. Na? Pag sinabing standard costing, you have your variance analysis. Okay? Ano ibig sabihin ng variance analysis? You compare your actual cost with your standard cost. Common sense. If your actual cost is more than your standard cost, favorable or unfavorable? Malaki ang actual cost mo sa standard cost mo? Is unfavorable. If your actual cost naman ay mas maliit sa standard cost natin, ito ay favorable. Okay? And that would be your variance analysis. Okay? Sige. Okay naman ito. Erase ko na ito muna. Picture nyo muna. Okay? So, as part of the standard cost. Kasi, we go now doon sa variance analysis. Kasi, in the board exam, usually, ang tanong dyan ay nasa variance analysis. Sige. So, wala na tayo class. Okay? How do we compute for your variance analysis in terms of direct materials? Una, we go first with our direct materials variance or your total materials